All right, this tutorial is for beginners. So we're starting with HTML for beginners. Okay, so let me teach you how, or let me show you how you can build your first website. Okay, so the first thing you do, you download your code editor. For me, I like to use Visual Studio Code. So just go online and type in Visual Studio Code. So depending on the one you prefer anyway, you have Sublime Text, to have Visual Studio Code. But for me, I recommend people to use Visual Studio Code because of one, it's user friendly and you just get it for free. And as we proceed, you see other advantages of using Visual Studio Code. All right, so the first thing you do after downloading it, you install it. Now, let's dive in. This is my Visual Studio Code here. Double click to open. Visual Studio Code is open. But before then, I want to create a folder on my desktop. So the folder I'm creating here, I can call it my first website. Okay, so you save. So go back to your Visual Studio Code, click on File, click on Open Folder, go to Desktop. That's where I saved mine, depending on where you saved yours. Desktop, and locate my first website. Select folder. Okay, so when you come here, the first thing you do, I like so click on new file, then give it a name, index.html. Okay, so using shortcut, exclamation shift exclamation mark is the enter button. You can change the title. That's the title of your page, of your website. So you can start with header, H1. H, we have from H1 to H6. So H1 I can say my name is Serena. Okay, so when designing a website, shortcut is very important. So you can highlight, Control C, enter, Control V to just edit. My name is Serena. I love coding. I love coding. Okay, change this to H2. Change this to H2. Sorry. Yeah, change this to H2. So here you can get we have headers H1 to H6. So this H1 and H2. So you can replicate the rest one 3, 4, 5, 6, and the rest of it. So I just wanted to see how you can create your first web page. So there are two ways you can actually view it on your browser. Either right click here to open with live server. Of course, you have to install the plugin by coming to if you don't have it already installed, just come to extensions, click on extensions, type in live server, and it comes up. But for the sake of beginners, like, so let's assume you do not have an internet. Okay, so because you need an internet to actually install live server plugin. So let's assume we do not have an internet. What do you do? Go back to the folder on your desktop. Go back to your desktop. Okay, let me just go back from here. Go back, then double click on it. Double click. My name is Serena. I love coding. Right, thank you so much for joining me today. Um, this is how you create your first web page.